Okay, another trip to the thrift, you dig? Another trip to the thrift. And just for those who, some people don't think I wear my clothes from the thrift. You remember I picked this nice piece up. I picked this nice fit up from the thrift a few weeks ago. If you have not seen the video, please go back and check out that video. Also, if you have not subscribed to the good channel, please do that now, right now. Don't waste any time. Pause this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you do not follow the kid on any social media outlets, please follow my Instagram at What My Teacher Wears. Again, at What My Teacher Wears. If you just want to do it real quick, the link is down in the bio. But again, we are here again looking for a real statement piece, a statement blazer that we can wear that really will catch some doggone eyes, so we can be G'd up from our feet up. So follow your boy so we can see what we can find in here today. I can bet my bottom dollar that we probably gonna find something, but I'm curious to know, is it gonna be that special? Walk with your boy. They've done some redecorating since the last time I've been in here. So they're actually the men's clothes. Yo, I'm so lost because I don't even see the blazers anymore. Like, I don't even know where they are. So let's keep hunting, let's keep hunting, let's keep hunting. I found it. Like, I found it. Yo, so this is one of those deals where I feel like I literally just got away with stealing. Like, when I only paid $8 for this piece, and when you guys see it, I promise, you know what? Show them the receipt, man. Just show them the receipt. Show them the receipt. Yes, that is the receipt. That is the receipt right there. $8. Like, $8 for, you know what? Y'all not even gonna believe me. I'm not even gonna have to tailor it very much, so I'm not even gonna take you through a tailoring. Just look at the lookbook that I decided to put together with this piece. Yo, just take a look at it, y'all.